Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to which is better MNC for work, because I just got so many DMs on Instagram that sir, please make video that is related to which is better MNC for work. So this is part 1 video in which we just discuss about the salary, bond, job security, about role of some of the MNCs that you can see on my screen like Cognizant, Infosys, Accenture, Wipro and TCS. So let's start the video. Okay, so I just made an PPT for all of you that is related. Okay, so which is better MNC for work? Okay, so we have to just check on what basis the MNC is good for work, like work culture, salary, bond, growth, job security, roles. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so first company is Accenture. If I just talk about work culture, okay, so we just take on rating basis. Okay, so there is a rating of 5, out of which the companies means the work culture is decided. Okay, so this source is from the Glassdoor website, means all the information is from Glassdoor website that is related. Okay, so the first company is Accenture, and they will generally, if I just talk about for the BE, BTech and other courses, so they just hire for the role of associate software engineer. 4.5 LPA is the package, and for the advanced associate software engineer 6.5 LPA is the package. Okay, and the rating is 4.0 out of 5, because the some of the means ratings and feedback are great place, resource oriented, good salary in Accenture. Okay, so if I just talk about some of the other non-IT courses, okay, so this video is only for some IT candidates, because for the non-IT I will surely make another video for all of you that is related to management and all. Okay, so if I just talk about the bond, so the means the Accenture has no bond in some of the cases, but if I just talk about some of the candidates, so they just said that 14 month is equals to probation period and 1 month is equals to notice period, that is Accenture training period. Okay, so this is just a type of a bond in the Accenture. Okay, but some of the candidates say that for that there is a no bond and culture is very good, means the work culture is very good in the Accenture. If I just talk about the growth and job security, so there is yearly promotions, salary increment, and salary increment and yearly promotions are totally depend on your performance. Okay, there are some quarters exam in the Accenture also. Okay, so if you perform very well in that, so they will increase your salary as well as the means the promotion. Okay, means the role upgradation. The second MNC is Infosys, and they are generally hire for the BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA for the role of systems engineer, system engineer specialist and power programmer, digital specialist engineer, and system engineer specialist is specialist engineer. So the package, as you can see on my screen, is described that. And if I just talk about the rating, so there is a rating of 5 out of 3.9 and a great place, new technology work. Okay, means if I just talk about to the Infosys, okay, so as I already work, means I am currently working at Infosys for the role of system engineer specialist. Okay, so there are the new technology trend. Okay, there are the new technology trend like DevOps, cloud technologies and all that, AI, machine learning. So there is a new technology at Infosys, means you have to just work on some of the new technologies and some of the big approaches and previous technologies also. If I just talk about the Infosys bond, okay, so it will be differ from role to role, but in many cases there is a 1-year bond. Okay, so if I just talk about the Infosys means the job security, so there is a stability. Okay, the job is very good. And if I just talk about the salary, okay, so this is same as the Accenture, means if your performance is very good, okay, so they will definitely increase your salary and yearly promotion as well. Okay, so they will also upgrade your role, like if you are a system engineer and after that there is a exam. Okay, means if you complete your training and after in the project allocation, if you just if you just complete that the project also, and after in the next year there is a exam from Infosys. Okay, so if you just cleared that, they will upgrade your role as well as package. Okay, so the Infosys work culture is also good, but the stability is very good in the Infosys. If I just talk about the Wipro, for the means the Wipro always hire for the Wipro Elite, Wipro Turbo role, and so many roles like Wipro Wilp and some of the role. Okay, so the package is 3.5 LPA, 6.5 LPA, and rating is 3.7. If I just talk about good points of Wipro, so the good infrastructure and work-life balance, and there is a bond of 12-month post joining INR 75,000 on pro rata basis. Okay, so the one important point of Wipro that previously just candidates say that there is no growth in Wipro, but this time they just release the new salary structure for the elite engineers that I already discussed in the previous video. Okay, you just see that what your growth in the next 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Okay, so it will be totally depend on your performance basis. Okay, before moving on to the some MNC, there is a very good platform that known as Relevel. Okay, you will get your dream job in 15 days. India's finest company trust Relevel to hire. Claim your profile by taking this test. Okay, 200 plus leading company trust Relevel like Cred, One Image, Meesho, Urban Pro, upGrad. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, these are the some candidates that they score very good in the the Relevel test, and you can win exciting prizes like a MacBook, iPhone, and Apple Watch. Okay. So how do we work means how the Relevel test is work. 4 steps to get your dream job. Register for test, take the test, interview with employer, accept the offer. And India's finest company hire on Relevel. Okay, there are 300 job opportunities from more than 50 company with CTC up to 15 LPA. 15 LPA is very good package. Okay, so how you can apply for this Relevel test? Okay, so if you are from any degree, you can apply. There is no branch or batch matter. Okay, there are 3 type of tests: business, front end, and back end. Okay, you can choose according to your interest. All the links in description, you can just check. Okay, so the next MNC is TCS. Okay, so the Tata Consultancy Services, and they are generally hire for the assistant system engineer, means the TCS Ninja and TCS Digital. If I just talk about the rating, 4.0, job security is very good. Okay, good salary, higher role package, means if you are just selected for the role of TCS Digital, so there is a very good package that is 7 LPA. Okay, so if I just talk about the TCS, so the some of the candidates say that work culture is the work culture is similar, but the stability and salary is good at the TCS. Okay, so the best company. If I just talk about the bond, okay, bond to it will be depend to role 1 year or 1.5 year. The last MNC is Cognizant, and they will hire for so many roles like Gen C, Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro, Gen C, and Gen C Elevate, Programmer, Analyst. Package is also good, 6.5 LP, and differ from role to role, but rating is 3.8. Work life balance, good work environment. There is no bond at Cognizant. Okay, some of the candidates say that. So one important point, as you can just see on my screen, this is the chart that just to show that Wipro, TCS, and Infosys have posted the highest growth since the height of the pandemic. Okay, so as you can see on my screen that Accenture, Cognizant, Infosys, TCS, and Wipro, okay, they just growth in the 2020, 2021. Okay, these are in the 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. Means the Wipro have a higher growth in that. Okay, as you can see on that, this is the higher rate. Okay, and if I just talk about the TCS, 21.6% at that. If I just talk about the Infosys, 21.2. Okay, so it will be depend from MNC to MNC that what means they just increase their higher rate in the that and highest growth since the height of pandemic. Okay, it will be totally depend on the MNCs and their business. Okay, so if I just talk about the some point, and that is the bottom line, it all depend on the skill you try to acquire in those 4 years. If your project, even if your project is not great, you can choose the option of switching the company. As a fresher, just concentrate on learning, which is a continuous process. Never ever stop that. Okay, so this is the video that is related to which is better MNC for the work. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. And if you want a part 2 video, okay, so comment in the comment section. Okay, this is the very good information and this is the very good growth chart that you can just see on my screen, and this is the some MNC prediction. Okay, so you can just predict that what are the some MNCs you can just go to work, means most of the candidates are selected in top MNC. Okay, so it will be totally depend on you according to your interest and the knowledge. Thanks for watching the video.